晨5點，香港電台最新一節風暴消息。香港天文台發出最新熱帶氣旋警報，8號東南烈風或暴風信號現正生效，表示本港吹東南風，平均風速每小時63公里或以上。喺清晨5點，熱帶風暴尼格集結喺香港天文台之西南偏西約50公里，即係北緯22.2度，東經113.7度附近。預料向西北移動，時速約10公里，移向珠江口西部一帶，並逐漸減弱。本地風勢已顯著緩和，隨住尼格遠離香港及減弱，天文台會喺清晨5點20分或之前改發3號強風信號。當尼格對本港嘅威脅進一步減低嘅時候，天文台會改發1號戒備信號，或者取消所有熱帶氣旋警告信號。海面有非常大浪及湧浪，市民應遠離岸邊及停止所有水上活動。喺過去1小時，昂坪、長洲及赤鱲角分別錄得嘅最高持續風速為每小時75、62及46公里，最高陣風分別為每小時122、68及60公里。8號烈風或暴風信號防風措施報告：熱帶氣旋雖然開始遠離本港，但仍有一段時間吹烈風，請繼續留喺室內，直至風力減弱為止。切勿接觸被風吹倒嘅電線。部分地方仍然吹烈風及狂風，切勿鬆懈防風措施。有關最新天氣情況，請留意香港電台喺15分、30分、45分及踏正嘅風暴消息。
5 o'clock in the early morning, Hong Kong Observatory's latest typhoon update. Here is the latest tropical cyclone warning bulletin issued by the Hong Kong Observatory. The number 8 southeast scalar storm signal is in force. This means that winds with mean speeds of 63 kilometers per hour or more are expected from the southeast quarter. At 5 a.m., Tropical Storm Nalgae was centered about 50 kilometers west-southwest of Hong Kong Observatory, which is near 22.2 degrees north, 113.7 degrees east, and is forecast to move northwest at about 10 kilometers per hour towards the vicinity of the western part of the Pearl River estuary and weaken gradually. Local winds have moderated significantly. As Nalgae moves away from Hong Kong and weakens, the observatory will issue the strong wind signal, number 3, to replace the number 8 scalar storm signal at or before 5:20 a.m. When the threat poses to Hong Kong by Nalgae is further reduced, the observatory will issue the standby signal, number 1, or cancel all tropical cyclone warning signals. Seas are very rough with swells. Members of the public are advised to stay away from the shoreline and not to engage in water sports. In the past hour, the maximum sustained winds recorded at Ngongping, Cheungshou and Chaklapkok were 75, 62, and 46 kilometers per hour with maximum gusts 122, 68, and 60 kilometers per hour respectively. Precautionary announcements for the number 8 scalar storm signal. Although the tropical cyclone is moving away from Hong Kong, gales are expected to persist for some time. Please continue to stay indoors until winds moderate. Do not touch electric cables that have been blown loose. As gales and violent squalls are still occurring in places, precautions should not yet be relaxed. Please listen to Radio Television Hong Kong on every hours at 15, 30, 45 and o'clock for the latest weather information broadcast. And that's all for the typhoon update.
呢一節風暴消息報道完畢。